Welcome to our channel. Setting up automatic recurring transfers with Bank of America helps you build savings consistently without having to remember to transfer money manually. Follow these step-by-step instructions to automate your savings. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America online banking account at www.bankofamerica.com using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section from the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Click on Make a Transfer or Transfer Money to begin setting up your recurring transfer. Step 4. Select the account you want to transfer money from, typically your checking account, as the source account. Step 5. Choose the destination account where you want the money transferred, such as your savings account or money market account. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to transfer each time the automatic transfer occurs. Step 7. Select Recurring Transfer, or make this a recurring transfer instead of a one-time transfer option. Step 8. Choose the frequency of your transfers: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or another schedule that fits your budget and savings goals. Step 9. Set the start date for your first transfer and optionally set an end date or number of transfers if you want the recurring transfer to stop automatically. Step 10. Review all transfer details, including amounts, accounts, frequency, and dates to ensure everything is correct. Step 11. Submit your recurring transfer request and watch for a confirmation message that your automatic transfer has been set up successfully. Step 12. Monitor your accounts to ensure the transfers occur as scheduled and adjust the amount or frequency anytime through the Transfers section if your financial situation changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.